welcome back to my kitchen. A beautiful fish curry to celebrate the season with my favorite fruits, the mango. Now fish, mango and Kacchi Ghani mustard oil. It's literally three trinities of flavor, and believe me, a lot of great recipes and cuisines are created with mustard oil. I don't understand one thing, that agar you can calculate the pungency of mustard oil, why is not everybody doing it? There's only one company, Emami Healthy and Tasty, which are actually putting this on here. Look at it. So there is one thing which I'm assured, that if I am working with good products, with good produce, especially fish, fruits, vegetables, why shouldn't we use a good pure mustard oil to cook our food? Now there is a good amount of preparations which I have kind of done. I have got my fish already sliced. Today I'm using red snapper, which is one of my favorite fish. Okay, I love to grill this fish. I roast it, I bake it, I make curries with it, and I thought that today this is going to be amazing. Also, tropical fruit like mango, pineapple, papaya, they all go really well with fish. And a red snapper fish, which is actually found in warm waters, which means it is also a tropical kind of fish. Let's start cooking. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds, and I'm going to be making actually a paste with this as one of my spicing agents. So I've got my mustard seeds which I've put in here along with the water, along with which I'm going to be adding about 4 to 5 green chillies in here. Okay, along with this I'm going to be adding a little bit of haldi, yani ki turmeric, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of red chili powder, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of cumin powder. Okay, so I would say about a teaspoon of each, not more than that. Now we've got all these amazing things happening here, and then I'm going to be adding now about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Beautiful. And we're going to make this amazing paste. Okay, इसकी हम अच्छी सी एक पेस्ट बनाने जाएंगे, और यही हमारे फिश को रॉक करने वाली है. So our paste is ready. Along with this, we're going to be adding a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit of salt. I don't really like to overpower my fish with too many masalas because we have a lot going on anyway. तो बिल्कुल थोड़ी सी मैं literally स्वाद अनुसार नमक लगा रहा हूँ मैं इसे, and that's it. Okay, maybe थोड़ी सी हल्दी. Okay, so हल्का सा मैं turmeric डाल दे रहा हूँ इसमें. Okay, so the whole practice of adding salt to the fish is also curing the fish because of the osmosis which happens, and also it makes it nice and firm. So we're just going to be literally हल्का सा इसको हम marinate कर देते हैं. Okay, literally we are just going to do. Now this can be done in advance. Okay, also beautiful. Now the idea to use the mango is because okay, mango and fish बहुत ही शानदार combination है. Secondly, mango seasonal भी है. You should be eating and cooking things which are in season. Sourness or the tanginess or the other flavor which is going to come is coming from the mango. Now that's the reason why I have 2 kinds of mango. The raw mango gives that amazing sourness to it which we like to do when we are eating something with fish. जैसे हम नींबू का रस डालते हैं. Down south they use vinegar. Sometimes they use different kinds of citruses. Kokum use होता है, imli use होती है. So every culture has their own souring agent. Now this is for me one of the best souring agents, especially in the summer itself for sure. I've also got a little bit of this firm, semi-sweet mango to give that whole balance and that whole roundness to this dish. It's nice and hot now. We're going to be थोड़ा सा हम इसमें थोड़ी सी अनियन सीड्स यानी कि कलौंजी डालेंगे. फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़ीरा, about a third of a teaspoon each, थोड़ी सी मेथी दाने और राई. Okay, and once these start crackling, okay, we're going to add this mustard paste with this. So I'm going to just lightly cook this off a little bit. Okay, I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, Brilliant. You can this most amazing thing. And along with this, what I like to do is I've got these tomatoes here. So I just like to cut these tomatoes into almost like finger style, okay? You can call them fingers, you can call them petals, whatever you like. And then we're just going to put these. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. So you can see there's a really nice, beautiful, saucy thing happening. This is going to become the sauce. It has a good amount of mustard oil, which is really good for you. So just a little, not too much. We're just going to be using maybe like about 40 to 50 grams. Sometimes what I also like to do is when mangoes get overripe, yeah, you can make milkshakes, but I actually like to use overripe mango as a puree in my fish curries as well. So we're going to just cut these into really lovely long slivers, just like this. And we are going to be literally putting this over this, along with a little bit of fresh coriander. It's time to give this a little flip, okay? Beautiful. Now you can see how nicely your fish is cooking right here. And now finally some of our semi-ripe to ripe mango. Beautiful. So playing with the seasons, playing with fresh produce, working with some good oils, that's what it's all about. And that's it. Our mustard, mango and fish ready. So we have a lovely piece of fish with some mango, with some tomato. So we're going to be just adding a bit of this lovely Kacchi Ghani ka mustard oil sauce with all these lovely flavorings in it, and it's the best sauce for the fish. So this is one of those dishes which is very seasonal, very tasty, and definitely justifies and makes the product well worthy. It's such a pleasure, you know, cooking with this really Kacchi Ghani mustard oil from Emami. Let's garnish it with a little bit of a sweet pepper. So, plate up is done. Hope you really enjoyed this recipe. And remember, eat seasonal, eat healthy, get more mustard oil in your diet. Trust me, because you are what you eat.